Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play League of Legends on Linux. As of mid-2024-2025, it's no longer possible to play League of Legends on Linux using compatibility layers like Wine, Proton, or Lutris. Riot Games introduced its kernel-level anti-cheat software Vanguard to League of Legends, which is incompatible with the Linux kernel and translation layers, effectively blocking all unofficial methods. The only reliable method to play League of Legends is by using a native Windows environment. Method 1. Dual booting Windows. Installing Windows alongside your Linux operating system is the most reliable way to play, as it allows the game and Vanguard to run natively without conflicts. Pros: official support from Riot Games, maximum performance, and no anti-cheat issues. Cons: you must restart your computer every time you want to switch between operating systems. Method number 2. Cloud gaming services. You can use cloud gaming services that support League of Legends to stream the game to your Linux machine. Pros: no complex setup, run within your Linux environment, and doesn't require a powerful local PC. However, it is dependent on a stable high internet connection with potential input lag. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.